with me, except I have to go really fast because we're literally leaving so soon, and my pool party just ended, and we have to be somewhere at 5, and it's a little close to that, so I'm kind of rushing. It was literally so much fun. All my friends came over, and guys, we had a blast. There's a really large zit on my face, and that was kind of annoying me, but that's okay. It just like hurt really bad. The pool party was so cute. Wait, I'm gonna actually have to post some photos because it was adorable. It has places to be besides playing, so I have to get ready. We're going to a worship night tonight, so I'm super excited. It's at one of my youth leaders' houses. Still low-key sweating from being out by the pool, so hopefully I don't like stink. Like, ooh girl. I'm doing very light makeup again because I'm in a rush, so that's fun. We're gonna be extra glowy tonight. It was so fun. We had a dirty soda bar, and guys, I literally love making dirty sodas. Like, we had the vanilla Chobani creamer, like coffee creamer, and y'all, I'm actually buying that for my coffee because it is so good, and in Dr. Pepper, even better. I was like, okay, period. So I had Shirley Temples in like a cute like little cheese and grape charcuterie board and sandwiches. Batter up, girl, batter up. And then we played volleyball, colors, star. I really don't know what that game was. Like, we were guessing like movies with like the first and last initials. My friend also made this really cute banner. I was obsessed with it. I've never been this rushed to get ready. Like, normally I take time. Well, I was cleaning up, saying bye to everybody, getting photos. Like, I was in my zone. Okay, at least we're looking cute now. Anyways, I'm ready now. Yay! Got ready in time. Love you guys so much. Bye!